Hi, Shandu.
Hi, Carlos. Come in, please. Have a seat. So, how's your holiday?
It went well. I could go to the West Coast. I went to San Diego, and it was a very nice climate there,
Yeah.
different from the East Coast. So yeah, I had a lot of fun.
So, did you go to any places of interest?
I loved the beach. It was a
Beach,
really
yeah.
peaceful place and not much crowd as the other San Francisco beaches.
Yes.
So it was a nice experience.
Okay, great. So, let's talk about your work recently.
Mhm.
So, your previous work is very good, but according to recent performance review, you are not doing very well. So,
Mhm.
I think maybe we need to talk about that.
Mm-hmm. So I'm not sure why I got
Mhm.
this bad rating because from day one I've been working in 3 projects.
Okay.
And I feel I've been overloaded with a lot of tasks. So I have been able to contribute. I did have, quite a number of assignments to do, and I've been able to be very creative and in terms of making the right logic, sticking to the technical deliverables that the clients want. And I've been able to contribute a lot to the Smart Pen project, but I still don't see how my work or my performance is not translated into the ratings. I have been doing a lot of work. I think I'm overloaded with the 3 projects at hand,
Okay.
and I guess that could be the reason. Maybe I'm not able to contribute specifically 100% to each of those, even though I'm trying, and even though from my end I feel I am, but I don't see how it's not translated into the readings. But I think one of the main reasons why this could have happened is because I'm overloaded with a lot of work.
So, I think you mean you have too much work for this
Yeah.
project, for all the projects, and any one of them has the most work. I mean, you devoted the most time, or I mean, this one is the most heavy loaded, and you cannot spare enough time for the other two, or just.
No, the reason being all the 3 sub-projects that I'm working on are under Smart Pen, and each of these have a different task altogether.
Yeah.
So, and they have to be done simultaneously because the Smart Pen is going as an integrated module. So, I think I've been spending a lot of time on all the projects, and each of those projects are equally important to me and to the team as well. So it's not that one of the projects is more important. So I have been able to contribute equal time. I've been doing that for each of the projects.
Equal time. Okay,
Okay.
that's great. So, I think first you have all the expertise for the work. I think you have the certification for C++, Java, all these certificates. So I think this is not a problem. So could you tell me what kind of problems do you have when you are working on the projects? I mean, if this is not the technical problem, so what bothers you?
Okay, so I can just go about telling you how I started off with my task for the project.
Okay.
So initially, Malena, she's a tech lead for one of the major sections in the project, and
Yeah.
she came over and gave us a major debriefing before we
Yeah.
started work. And I think after that debriefing, we were all continuously working on our tasks. And based on what she had asked us to do initially, we all were doing our tasks. And towards the end, this is what we were, of the view we thought that this was what we have to do in terms of the project deliverable, and this is what we delivered in the end. So I think whatever she asked us to do, we were able to do over that one meeting we had with her. We were debriefed. I think that's exactly what she asked us to do and what we actually provided in the end. So I guess that's how the entire process was in the project.
So, so you mean Malena gives you all the work, and you did all the work yourself?
Yeah, just that one time. She just met with me that one time.
So, but I think you mentioned that you only met one time.
Yes.
So, I mean, there are usually many changes for our work. So how can you, know the changes as soon as possible? I mean, you only met once.
Mhm.
Uh-huh.
So I was not intimated on when the changes happened. So
Mhm.
I didn't know there were changes at all, and so I implemented right from the beginning to the end whatever she had just debriefed us initially. So even if there were changes, I was not notified of the changes, and if that was the case, I would have met her again. So yeah, I was not of the view that there were many changes in the project.
So I think this is the issue because you are not completely aware of our status, our changes.
Mhm.
So I think this may waste you a lot of time. I
Mhm.
mean, delay the all your work and this stuff. So I would recommend that you meet with Melina more frequently.
Mhm.
I mean, know, check whether there is any changes for our resident work.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I will definitely do that. I will meet up with her. I will set up a meeting with her, and I'll constantly get in touch with her regarding what I have to do in the project.
Yeah, I think I will also talk to Melina about his managing. I mean, let her give you quick updates about all the work.
Yeah.
So, apart from the timing issue, so do you have any other problems for all the 3 projects?
I think because I'm handling 3 different projects,
Mhm.
it would be better if I had some sort of organizer. My desk, I don't have shelves, and I don't have a desk organizer or a meeting scheduler. If I
Mhm.
have that, then that would be really helpful.
So you do not have the meeting scheduler?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That is a problem. So I think our technical department will also be working on a new software about the scheduling of the work of our employee
Okay.
of our employees.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think I will also meet with Melina about his work. I mean, let her assign his work more frequently.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much,
Thank you.
Shandu. That was a really helpful conversation.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day.
You too.